Alrighty, got an update here to the County Road 650 East grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub, just west of Buda, Illinois. As you can see, the new foundations are in on both sides. Over there. And I forget if I mentioned this before, but the new signals for this crossing are sitting in Neponset, so they will be transferred out here relatively soon. See conduit in the quadrants. I think all four quadrants have conduit at them. I don't see the one there, the one there. Yeah, and then they got the new bungalow mounted here in the southwest quadrant, ready to go. So yeah, it won't be too much longer now until these are in. And then I've noticed with these new foundations, they have the slit in them facing parallel to the tracks. And compared to the new foundations over at 450 and 300 East, those ones are facing perpendicular to the tracks. So it's a good indication that those crossings that they're going to keep the same signals, because I know 100% that they're putting in new signals here. And BNSF typically likes to face the bases sideways, so it looks like this is the correct orientation for that. And then you can see there's the hole there where the wires come up through. So yeah, these ones are going, while the ones at 450 and 300 will be kept. And just a reminder on these signals, these are old WRRS signals, originally with WRRS gate mechanisms that BNSF later replaced with US&S Model 95s. And then the light frames here were likely replaced by early BNSF or late BN from the original either 12 by 20 inch federal signal frames or possibly the 8-inch lights that used to be here originally. So yeah, these signals have been here for quite a while, and now they're seeing their final days of service. So it won't be much longer now until these old soldiers are gone. So anyways, this has been the update to 650 East.